This 2025 Forest River No Boundaries RVS3 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nokomis, Florida, 34275 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Nokomis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, loft, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.